music down. This is when we want the music up. Play some firework music. If you're wondering where we're at 921 South Main Street in the Arts District at the English Hotel, on top of the English Hotel. Located directly between the Las Vegas Strip and the Fremont Street Experience. Not exactly, but directly. You want to hear the fireworks? Cool. If the fireworks get canceled, can the town car show us a little something? Fire, smoke, or sparks? You betcha. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. 4 calendar years. It's only like 26 months, but spanning since November 4th of 2020. Happy New Year from Arkansas. Billy Love, good to see you. Welcome. Got your Jack's Hot Cocoa Shake ready to go. Cool. Candy E, Happy New Year, Coach, and everyone here. Thank you so much, Candy E, for being here. Appreciate it. English Hotel 725-444-6835. May or may not have any rooms left. We don't know. You have to call. I think at midnight, you can't no longer book them online anyway. It's chilly. I'm going to pay for this tomorrow, but that's okay because it's New Year's Eve. Paul, how you doing? Good to have you with us. Lisa J. The Strat turned its lights off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now you can see it. Oh, you're right. What does that mean? Does this mean the fireworks are going to go? Oh my gosh, folks, this is it. 5 minutes to fireworks. Okay, that to me means they're going to do the fireworks. I'm feeling very fireworky. This is exciting. Holy cow. Let's do it, Vegas. Happy New Year, Coach, from Oregon. It's Debbie Conway. How you doing? San Diego 1, good to have you here. Thank you for joining us. Live firework coverage. Victorious Neil in the house. Fireworks are officially a go, according to Real Bronze 03. We're going to take his word for it. It's 2023 in Phoenix GT7 Gameplay TV. Happy New Year's to everyone. This is going to be great. 4 minutes or so, 4.5 minutes. Joe, what's up? Non-stop rain in Carpinteria. Nashville checking in. Joe Ray, how you doing? Oklahoma, popping any slots. How you doing? During the fireworks show, I'm hoping you guys can hear it, so I will not be commenting. Just enjoy it. You might hear some oohs and ahs and the occasional breaking wind. Wiley Chan, how you doing? Thanks for being here. About 3 minutes to go. 3.5 minutes, folks. Madog 1, Happy New Year to you. You guys are awesome. Thanks for being here and supporting the channel. Be sure to hit the thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. We've got a few more moments to get to that 6,000. Metavisual Therapies, thanks for being here. 0140. It's gonna be the best view of all, yes. We're gonna carve it out. I won't be speaking through it. We'll be carving it out and releasing it separately. I'll probably do that even tonight. Chick Cruz. Happy New Year to you. This is exciting. Duck and cover. Depending on how the show goes, I may whip it around and show you downtown as well, but mostly it's the Strip. We're going to see the Resorts World. We're going to see the Stratosphere. Possibly a couple others lighting their fireworks off momentarily. USA, USA, USA. It's Vegas, baby. Again, right behind me, you can see it. It's Plaza right back there. They're supposed to do it. Yes, the red hotel is Resorts World right there. Happy New Year, Loons. HD Michelle, thanks for being here. Thank you so much, William Weir. Just moved to Nashville from Vegas. Miss it so much, yes. KFC rocks. Brian Malin, how you doing? Happy New Year to you and everyone up in Canada. All right, moments away, folks, moments away. Been here 90 minutes so far. Fountain Blue is supposed to open at the end of this year. Markman 104. I'm going to be quiet now for a few moments. fireworks as we get ready. Makes the editing easier. 2 minutes, 2-minute warning. 100 seconds, here we go. The wind has died down. The Travelodge is doing a fireworks show. Oh, it's exciting. Coach, do you have your party hat on? No, it's too cold for that. You gonna push it back another year? That'd be horrible. Dennis K, Happy New Year. Finding NorCal, what's up? One minute. The countdown is happening right at the strip, yes. 20 seconds. This is so cool. The rain is picking up, but we're gonna stick it out. Got fireworks going off to the left and the right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Dive, dive. Oh, the rain is really coming down. Got a countdown going off to my left. There we go. Fireworks, folks. Here we go. Happy New Year. Right behind us there, Plaza. Outstanding. Happy New Year, everybody. They did it. Las Vegas. Oh my goodness. There is an air quality alert out. They issued it earlier today, but who cares? What fun was that? Great job, Stratosphere, Resorts World, all the other casinos, City of Las Vegas, Clark County. Outstanding job, everybody. Got some other fireworks going off here to the left and the right. Join us next year. Get your reservation in now. Next year here at the English Hotel. Arts District. Great view of the Strip. Great view of Fremont Street. All right here. Drink specials, room specials, food specials. That's what we do best here. Oh, this guy's holding up the wall. Happy New Year. Celebrating the way you're supposed to. Can he make it? Will he make it? Can he make it? Oh no, here we go. Oh, Happy New Year. Over under, will he make it without falling down? I say no. Oh, he made it. All right, congratulations. You're gonna hold up the wall for a bit. We got this. The cat's gonna help you, man. You're going the wrong way, brah. Vegas, baby. What a beautiful night here in Vegas. Appreciate you guys very much for being here. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. I'm trying to get to 6,000. Oh, he's back. Hold on, he's back. He's back. He's dancing to the music. Oh, he's down and he's down and he is down. We got a downer. He's still moving. He's still moving. His pants came off. Uh-oh. You need help, sir? Oh, we're good. We're good. We are good. We're good. Oh, down 2 times. Down goes Frazier. Third time up. Can he do it? Bring it around the pole there. Get around the pole, that'll help you. Someone needs to send a car for this guy. There you go. That's better. Let's make a run for it. On the other side here. Zoom out. See if he makes it all the way down to this side. Great soundtrack for his walking. Can he make it all this way? Yeah, look at the pool area. Heated pool, 82 degrees all the time right here at the English Hotel. Open all year round. Check it out. Go to Marriott.com. You should open up a restaurant up here. Yeah, that'd be great. It's a great view. Lock up T-Bone. I don't think he's gonna make it. We better call him some sort of transportation. Making our way. Look at the Pepper Club down there. People still sitting in there enjoying cocktails. Concert's still going across the street over there. It's the Arts District here in Vegas. Now that the fireworks are over, the rain has stopped. They need to get them a ride. That's what they got to do. Someone needs to get them a ride somewhere. They got the free Ubers and bus and that. Listen real close. You can hear them chanting, "You're a loon. You're a loon." I could hear it.